Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Model Language School, Aiden 2 Campus, Islamabad. Today the date is 29th June 2020. Class 1. Subject is English. Now class, it's page number 25 of activity book. We have already done, or we have already know about this synonyms. Synonyms means same meanings. So we will do the exercise. Page number 25. जल्दी से शाबाश सारे बच्चे निकाल लें पेज नंबर 25। फर्स्ट की अपनी डेट लिखें सबसे पहले ऊपर 29 जून 29 जून 2020। नाउ वोकैबुलरी एक्सरसाइज 2D synonyms. Synonyms means same meanings. Number 1, match the words with the same meanings. Now you have to match these words from these meanings. These are the meanings of these words. Now match these words, okay, with these. इन वर्ड्स को आपने इनसे मैच करना है. मतलब ये नहीं कि काइंड को आप इनएक्सपेंसिव से कर दें सीधा सीधा. नो, आपने मैच करने इन कॉलम्स को अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ड कि उसके मीनिंग्स जो हैं वो इसमें लिखे हुए हैं. ठीक है, सबसे पहला जो वर्ड है वो है काइंड. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ काइंड. नाउ मैच द वर्ड काइंड विद द वर्ड गुड हार्टेड. ठीक है, आपने काइंड के वर्ड को गुड हार्टेड से मैच करना है क्योंकि वो उसका मीनिंग है और सिनोनिम है. तो सो मैच द वर्ड काइंड विद द गुड हार्टेड. Match the word kind with the word good-hearted, like this. You have to match it with the help of a scale or ruler. ठीक है. Number second one, first हो गया आपका. Number 2 is tasty. Now match the word tasty with its appropriate meanings from these words. Tasty with delicious. Tasty with delicious. Okay, kind with good-hearted, tasty with delicious. Number third one is rude. Now find the meaning or synonym of rude from these words. Inexpensive, hope, skinny, impolite. So the word or synonym for rude is impolite. Match the rude with impolite. Okay. Number 4th is jump. Now inexpensive, hope or skinny. Jump with the hope. Okay, jump with the hope. Number 5th one is cheap. Now match the word cheap with its appropriate meaning from these words. Cheap is inexpensive. Match with inexpensive. And then the last one is thin. Match this with the last one, that is skinny. Okay, so kind, good-hearted, its meaning is good-hearted. Tasty, its meaning is delicious. Rude with impolite. Jump with hope. Cheap with inexpensive. Thin with skinny. Okay, now number 2, rewrite these sentences using synonyms for the underlined word. Rewrite these sentences using synonyms for the underlined words. Use a dictionary for help. Now these are underlined words. You should, or you have to write the meanings of these words here. She changed her soiled clothes after her bath. She changed her soiled clothes after her bath. Now you have to write the meaning of this word soiled in this line. The meaning of soiled or synonym of soiled is dirty. DIRTY, dirty. Okay, Now next page, that is page number 26. Now page number 26. Lucy enjoys running and cycling to keep fit and healthy. Now the meaning of enjoys is likes, LIKES, likes. Now number third is Calvin shuns visit to the dentist although he has many tooth cavities. Now the meanings of shuns is avoids. Okay, write the word avoids for the word shuns in these lines. Write the word avoids, AVOIDS, avoids. Okay. Number fourth, Bobby is a bodybuilder and he makes frequent visits to the gym to lift weights. Frequent means many. Okay, frequent means many, or now frequent means often, or in Urdu we can say अक्सर यानी ज़्यादातर, so many times. or write a meaning of this word frequent called as often, OFTEN, often. It's not often, it's often T silent, and it means many times. or in Urdu we can say अक्सर, यानी वो बॉडी बिल्डर है. बॉब इज़ अ बॉडी बिल्डर एंड ही मेक्स फ्रीक्वेंट विजिट, यानी वो अक्सर व बेशतर अक्सर वो जाता रहता है जिम टू लिफ्ट वेट्स. ओके, ऑफन. Number fifth and the last one is it is healthy habit to consume at least 8 glasses of water every day. To consume, to take. Okay, so word or meaning for the consume word is take, TAKE, take. Okay, ठीक है.